Hello guys, so today is a super special day. I'm actually going to be in Miami this weekend. I'll be leaving Friday morning at 8 a.m. English is hard. So I'm going to be packing my suitcase today because I will be working the next few days. I actually have an event to plan Thursday as well, or an event that I'm planning. Thursday's the day that it is. So it's just gonna be like a really hectic rest of the week, and that's why I need to start packing today. So here we go. You get to see everything probably on fast moving speed X2 because I don't want this video to last a million years, but here it is. So the main reason why I have to be careful with packing is because I do want to get things while I'm over there too. So I don't want to overpack and then not have space for all the things that I want to bring. I am in love with my H&M tweed jacket. I got this online. I want to say it was like $53, but it's supposed to be cropped. I think for a normal person it's supposed to be like to here and to here. But since I'm so short, it actually fits me perfectly as a normal length. When other items would probably fit me to like here. I'm 5'1", so it's a struggle. So I'm definitely bringing this just because I know that it's going to be a little bit colder during the days over there and the nights. So this is a must. I was also looking, this is more of a nighttime, but I also wear it during daytime. It's this silk dress, and it has this tie, so it's a little bit more, like it adjusts at the, it cinches in at the waist a little bit, so it's not as flowy and huge. So I really do want to wear that one as well. I have this thing where I dress very like, let me close my door. Very like half professional, half everyday kind of thing. So I really love this. This is from Boohoo, their petite section online. I actually collaborated with them, and I have a picture of this item on my Instagram as well. But I love this. It's so versatile. You can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with dress pants, you can wear it with jeans. You can really dress it up or down depending on how you want to wear it. So I definitely want to bring that as well. This piece I love. I really do love. This shirt is from Zara. And if you guys know, I'm in love with Zara. I love the bell sleeves. It just feels very like Spanish, Madrid, dancing around the streets. I have worn it a lot, especially, well, not a lot, but I have worn it a few times, especially for brunch and things like that. So you would have seen it on my Instagram. But I don't know if I want to bring it. I feel like it, let's look at the weather. I feel like it's going to be a little bit colder. So I don't want to overdo it. Let's see. Not Miami Beach, Miami. So it's going to be high of 76, low of 59. It's going to be pretty hot during the days, and then a little bit pretty cold during the nights. But we're also going to be mainly inside, I feel, as we usually are. Biosilk. Biosilk. Okay, I have to email them back. I love these shorts. They're from H&M. They're a little bit big on me on the waist area, but I think this would look so good with maybe these. Like that. Because it'll cover up that part. And they're the same material too. Or close to that same businessy material. So I really do like these two together. And then, let's see what else I have here. I love this shirt. This is also from Zara. It's just very flowy. It's like a wrap shirt. And I usually just end up wearing it with jeans. So I do actually love this. And I'm going to have to wear it and grab my jeans, maybe these. I think I want to do it with my ripped jeans actually, so it looks a little bit cooler. actually really like this outfit. It's like casual but dressy enough that I can just wear it all day. I can also wear this with espadrilles, so I can wear it with my pointy-toed flats or something like that. I love this. Or even my ballerina flats with this. We walk around a lot when I'm with my dad, so I just have to make sure that I'm pretty chilled. I really like this outfit. Summer vibes. I do really like this one too. I don't know where I would wear it, but it is flowy cute. Or maybe like night out or something if we do want to do something at night. So the view here is insane. Ugh, how I missed you, Miami. How I missed you, Brickell. So I'm in Miami for the weekend with my family, and I'm so excited because this view is out of control. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's turn this around. I just love Brickell. Look at that. So beautiful. And tonight we're actually going to Cantina La 20 here at Brickell, and we're going to be doing Mariana's sex reveal. Find out if it's a boy or a girl. I'm so excited. So stay tuned and you get to see more views.
Espectacular, mira. Pero tendría que ser aquí.
Dios.
Yo me echo a dormir aquí.
Wow. Esto está espectacular.
¿Quién sabe qué horas le pega el sol?
Mira que la mañanita. Mira, está espectacular. Esto está
Cool, ¿verdad?
super cool. I am so excited because today we are doing Mariana's baby sex reveal. Yay! So we're doing Mariana's baby reveal, and I want to film the whole thing. So we did a little gadget over here where the camera's gonna go on. Estoy haciendo broma de esta broma.
Great gadget.
Digo 3.
Oh, por Dios. Okay.
Ajá. 1, 2, 3. Ahí se empieza. 3. Yo lo agarro aquí atrás. 1, 2, 3.
¡Es una niña!
¿Sabes qué es muy fácil? La pasarita del lado. Pau, ¿tú qué fue alergia? ¿Qué? Volver a observar. Que no.
When you love shopping, but you're just a diva. Nunca caminaré, nunca.